Tara Jacobson, Marketing Artfully. So today we're going to talk about ShareASale, and what ShareASale is a affiliate aggregator, meaning that it is a company that has lots of different affiliate programs in it. And this is my all-time favorite affiliate program system because you can find almost anything. So if we go to my reports, I have I just made literally just made $17.98 from Tailwind, which is a software as a service company, a SaaS company for Pinterest. Tailwind. Creative Live. Creative Live is a company that does how-to videos for creative people. So kind of a software, but not really. Rocky Mountain Oils is essential oils that I use. Joggles are the craft supplies that I use, and that's the one that I'm going to use as my example today. I'll put a link to their store in my description below. So this is really cool. If you want to find out your activity details, say we wanted to see everything that happened from Joggles, we would come here, we would filter the results. You can search by date range. You can see how much you're making. The green ones are the ones that are locked, meaning that they haven't been returned. A lot of times there's a net 30 or a net 60 on these sites. I'm not sure which this is. Okay, so now how do you use this? Well, first off, say you want to sell something like aprons, right? We're going to say go, and we're going to do a search, and we're going to find all the places that sell aprons. So if you click this link, it'll pop open and show you heavy duty canvas aprons, cotton aprons. Okay. Ooh, that's a cute apron. $40 is not too much for my people. So I might sign up if I was going to sell aprons. I might sign up for these guys to be and if I might be an affiliate partner for them. Let's see what these guys do. These seem like men aprons. Oh, no, girl aprons. Yay. Okay, so Summer Brights. That's adorable. $10% off. Cool. Close. Oh, these are just adorable aprons. Now, they're a little bit more expensive, which is fine. I want to have a nice mix of expensive things and affordable things. Because for me, I wouldn't spend $80 on an apron, but say somebody loves this pink one and they're buying it for a gift or they're doing that. So an apron could be a gift for chefs. It could be a gift for crafters. It could be, I can think of a number of different ways that I could promote aprons. Okay. So that's how you find things, is you search for a type of product, or you can search just for the company, right? See if that company happens to be on ShareASale. Next, we're going to go to how do you get a link or a banner. And this is what's so cool about this. So let's look at Readers, because they have lots of banners. So if you're not a creative genius and you want to get banners to put in your sidebar or to put in your blog post, a lot of these companies make banners that you can just plop in. So sidebar ones are like $300. This one is for the top of a blog. And then a lot of times you can talk with the affiliate manager. If you said, hey, could you make me just this banner in a bigger size? A lot of times they can do it, right? So this is a very cute banner. It'll show you the size of the banner, and then you can just copy this code and plop it into your website, and then it's right there. So let's do that. Copy, and say we want to do it on our artsy fartsy site. All right, so I'm going to add this to my widget. So I would go to my primary sidebar. I would say custom HTML, and this is in WordPress. Almost any site will let you do this. We're going to say save. Saved. And now when you go to visit my site, it's fine. It's just grumpy today. See, there's the little banner. So you can add just a little banner here and there if you want. Now, I would like to have it be a tiny bit bigger because I feel like that's hard to see. But a lot of the different merchants have different size banners. I just wanted to show you real quick. And I should probably put this back up so I remember not to leave it there. Okay. Another way you can do it is you can get links, right? So let's go to Joggles, which we're using as our example. And they already they only have like just a straight link to Joggles. So see, you could say select the URL only. And this is my link to the Joggles. So if somebody were to do this and I would put this link somewhere and they would click on it, I would get credit for that link. And all the different merchants have different timelines for their cookies, for their, so the cookie meaning, do you get credit for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, lifetime? You're going to have to check, but you can see that. You could see merchant status. You can check all that. It's an amazing thing. So say on Joggles, I wanted to promote this thing, right? I want to promote this thing, not just everything. So what I can do is I can take this link, I can go to share a sale, I can say links, get a link or banner. We're going to pick Joggles. We're going to say create a custom link. And then I can create a custom link just to that one. Okay. Now, see, these are all custom links I've already made. I've made tons of custom links because I want to be able to link to a specific product, not to just, you know, like, hey, get this amazing thing, but then you got to go search on it when you get to that website. I want them to be able to find that immediately. All right, now we want to also, I want to show you some of, so I do like the Today at a Glance report. This tells me my sales today. So I have 11 sales, I have 12 clicks today, $119 worth of sales and $17. Yesterday was a bad day. Sales since last Thursday. So that'll show you what's going. I also like I think it's this one. Sorry, guys. Yeah, this is the monthly summary, and it tells you which of your affiliates you make the most from. Now, it's by number of transactions, right? So I will tell you that I make the most from Tailwind and Joggles, even though Joggles is the lowest percentage, because here, gross sales amount, total commission in the period. So actually Joggles isn't. It is Rocky Mountain Oils and Tailwind. So this will give you an overview. You can start thinking about which affiliates are doing the best for you. And then you can make content that matches it, right? So I just did a big blog post about aprons, which is what made it come to mind. And if I had joined a number of different companies with aprons, you want to see, because think about it. Say we went to those two aprons and I had the kind of boy looking apron on the one and then the cute pink apron on the other. I put them both on a page and I sell twice as much of the cute pink apron. Number one, I would want to move that up on the page, right? Especially if it was the second apron I showed. I would want to show it first on the page. And I would also maybe want to try to find another affiliate that I could swap out that one apron company for. Or instead of using two apron companies, I could list the pink one and the yellow one or do things like that. So this report is really good for being able to see which of your affiliate programs are working the best. Now I'm going to do a couple of more searches across a wide range of things so you can see that they have, I don't want dog training course, I just want dog. That they have a wide range of things that you can, wide range of companies that you can represent. See, I got too much stuff open. Let's close some of this stuff. Okay, let's go. Dog. Okay, so you've got Bite, you've got Idle, you've got Arteza isn't dog. Okay, so let's say dog treats, right? You're going to be able to see everybody who has dog treats. Big U. Okay, here's another thing to look for. You get 20% per sale. You get 10% per sale. You get 15% per sale. It's really hard to say. And the reason you want to really think about this is that will show you. Now, why would you go with somebody who has sold less, right? Has a lower percentage of commission, but you may want to go with them because these guys talk about veterinarians. Say yours is more of a medical dog site, not just like a fluffy one. Your readers may be more likely to get something because they're veterinarian recommended than the cute, bakery shop, which wouldn't match with your readers or your YouTube viewers or wherever you're posting your links. So that's something that you should think about. The EPC is also important. If you see a high EPC, that means that's the estimated payment per click, something like that. And the higher the number is, the more you're going to make. So if I were to look at, let's look at Joggles. Okay, they have 56 per click because those craft ladies buy high numbers. And let's look at Tailwind, which is another one of mine. And they have 34 per click. Now, the reason they have 34 per click is because a lot of times it's $14.95 a month rather than somebody paying $119. So that's another thing. You can also get, you can get paid per lead. I get 50 cents for everybody who signs up for a free trial or a free product. So I don't even have to sell something. And that's also, factoring into this $34 that would bring their average down, but that's fine. Okay, let's think about some other things. Clothes, women's clothes. Let's do women's clothes. And there's a whole bunch that you can choose from. And this is what makes me so happy about using this is I don't have to log into a million places. I don't have to try to find, what's the login site? What's the key? What's the username? What's the password? I can do everything in one place. And like when you do baby, you're going to get baby clothes, baby toys, baby like car seats. You're going to get all these different things. It's going through and sorting all the merchants to see what kind of baby stuff they can find. Okay, and there's 933 different merchants. Look at how cute that baby is with that shark. Okay, so you could find absolutely anything that you want here. The other thing I like about ShareASale as opposed to other places is they pay to be, the mower went by. They pay to be listed on this site. So they have skin in the game too. They want their affiliate programs on ShareASale to be profitable for you and for them. So it behooves them to pick good affiliates. It behooves them to give us lots of banners and links, and they'll have sales and they'll tell you about when their sales are so you can let your people know. I will put a link to ShareASale. I do have an affiliate link for them. I do recommend them because I love them the best. So hopefully that helps. Tara Jacobson, Marketing Artfully.